Hello, I'm Chuck Phillip with South Alabama Home Inspections, and welcome to another edition of Southern Home Talk. And so I had to take a real long, close look at this, and I said, what's missing here? I said, something doesn't look quite right, and I'm trying to figure out, how is this span supported across the width of this? And it's actually 20 feet all the way across, and there's no lintel on the bottom part of it. And so I says, well, it's possible they could have one inside the brick. I've seen that done before where you can actually notch. I'm talking about this top part right there. You can actually notch through that and put a lintel inside of it. I don't quite like that because you really don't have no way of knowing that that's there. But I am going to take my metal detector to see if it is. So let's just go up there with it and see. That's why I carry this. And so I'm going to just run across this to see if there's no lintel in this. So it's just weird how this is just suspended there. And so, there's a potential this could just collapse. Now, it does have this, which is probably a 2x8 or 2x6 up there going across the top of it. But that's certainly not sufficient, and not only that, it has a seam right there. So, this, in my opinion, just isn't properly braced without that lintel, and really it should be at the bottom edge where you can see that it has it. So, if you go over here and look at this window across, that should have a brick lintel going across the top of it too. And so it's missing. So, really, there's just not proper support in this block wall. So I hope this has been somewhat informative to you guys, and thanks for watching.